the thing. So many times beginners are told like, oh no, pick one niche. And it's like, no, if you got multiple interests, like absolutely. Because yes, it's going to double your workload with making content. But if it's something you're interested in, that's not going to be a big deal because you're going to love making the content anyway. And
Exactly.
two, like what works on one might not work on the other. Or you might have a video explode on one and you can go back and figure it out and then use that to propel your other, so whenever someone says like, oh, one niche at a time, I'm like, no. Like,
well, yeah, exactly. Like if you're like, let's just take cooking and what's a strong IG niche? I don't know, like fashion?
Probably.
Okay.
Or fitness.
Fitness. Okay. So
Those
let's say
kind of go
cooking
together though.
Well, sort of. But with cooking, Pinterest is actually really big for that, right? Because people search it all the time for recipes and ideas and whatnot. But for IG, you're going to be searching for maybe fashion people or celebrities or that kind of stuff. A little bit more different kinds. But so you could do both things and have two separate main platforms. And that's the other thing too, is that you can cross platform, but one of them's obviously going to probably do better than others.